Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to pin a restart icon to the Windows 10 taskbar. For this, first right click on the free space on the desktop and select here new and then shortcut option. In this one location box, all you need to type shutdown a space slash r a space slash t a space 0. 0 is the timer. You can replace this one 0 with any time in seconds. Suppose you will put here 30, then after double clicking on this one shortcut, your PC will restart after 30 seconds. After putting this one command, click on this one next button, then name it restart, then click on this one finish button. Now drag this shortcut icon to the taskbar. When you see pin to taskbar, lift your finger from the mouse and it will sit on the Windows 10 taskbar. By simply clicking on this one button, you can restart your Windows 10 PC.